Hi everyone, welcome to this video on parallel structure. Parallel structure, also known as parallelism, is a way to create balance in your sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to use parallel structure to make your writing clearer and more engaging. Let's dive in! Firstly, let's define parallel structure. Parallel structure means using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. For example, consider these sentences. She likes reading, to jog, and going to the beach. This sentence is incorrect because the items in the list are not in the same form. She likes reading, jogging, and going to the beach. This sentence is correct because all items in the list are in the same form. Using parallel structure makes your writing clearer and easier to read. Secondly, let's discuss why we should use parallel structure. There are several reasons. 1. It improves readability and clarity, making your writing easier to understand. 2. It creates a pleasing rhythm in writing, which makes your sentences flow better. 3. It highlights connections between ideas, showing that they are equally important. By using parallel structure, you can make your writing more effective and enjoyable to read. Now, let's look at how to use parallel structure in your writing. Here are some guidelines. Use the same grammatical form for items in a list. For example, incorrect, he enjoys playing soccer, to swim and biking. Correct, he enjoys playing soccer, swimming and biking. As use parallel structure with correlative conjunctions, such as both and, either boy, neither nor. For example, incorrect, she wants either to travel or studying abroad. Correct, she wants either to travel or to study abroad. Following these guidelines will help you use parallel structure correctly in your sentences. Let's look at some examples of parallel structure in different contexts. 1. Parallel lists. He likes running, swimming, and biking. This sentence uses parallel structure in a list of activities. 2. Parallel phrases. She wants to buy a new car, to travel to Europe, and to learn Spanish. Here, parallel structure is used in a list of infinitive phrases. 3. Parallel clauses. The teacher said that he was a good student, that he was punctual, and that he was hardworking. This sentence uses parallel structure in a list of clauses. These examples show how parallel structure can be applied in various ways to enhance your writing. Let's practice with a few sentences. Identify and correct the parallel structure errors. 1. She likes dancing, to sing, and reading. 2. He is responsible for organizing the event, making the invitations, and to ensure everything runs smoothly. 3. They want either to go hiking or swimming. Pause the video and see if you can correct them. Now, let's go over the answers. 1. She likes dancing, singing, and reading. 2. He is responsible for organizing the event, making the invitations, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. 3. They want either to go hiking or to go swimming. Great job! Let's wrap up with a quick recap. To sum up, parallel structure is a powerful tool for making your writing clearer and more engaging. Practice using parallel structure in your sentences to improve your writing skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more language tips and lessons.